Now let's get back to the UI of Zap. Yeah. So to get back to the main screen of this pane, let me click on this less than symbol. Okay. So now we are on the main screen and let's explore the UI now. So we haven't named the session. It's just okay. It's an untitled session with the first Zap name. So let's look into the overall user interface of this. We'll begin with menu bar. That's one. It's a menu bar. You can see on the top one, the top header one. This is called menu bar because it's a bar. It's a bar. You see that it's a big bar which consists of a number of items in it. Number of items. So that's why we call it as a menu bar. So menu bar provides access to many of the automated and manual tools. So it consists of a file. So here you can create a new session and you can open an existing session, or you can go for the recent one, that's mine, and then snapshot session. You can snapshot the session as with certain name. Then you can import the context, export the context, and you can do more things and you can exit out of this. That's one. And then in edit tab here, you have a JAP mode. So either you can go with the safe mode, protected mode, standard mode, or attack mode. At this moment, it's a standard mode. Then we have view. So how do you want to view your whole tabs? So is this the way you want? Show tab and script tab, or show all tabs, hide unpinned tabs and everything. That's the view. How do you want to view the UI of Zap? And analyze tab. Then we have a report tab. Here you'll get, here you can generate the reports. You can generate the reports. Then you have a tools, all the tools which are related to the Zap. And then import, export. As the name suggests, it imports the GraphQL schema, or GraphQL schema, or OpenAPI at different kind of files from different places. Export, it will export the message file, response, URLs for context, and more. And online, you can get into that for learning purpose and different other issues and help. Okay, so that's the first item in this UI. That's the menu bar. Then we have the toolbar. Again, this is a bar which consists of a tools. Then that's why we call it as a toolbar. Toolbar includes buttons. These are all soft buttons which provides easy access to most commonly used features. So if you want to place more, you can place it here. Okay, so here you can see that this is in a standard mode. Let me save it let me change it to the safe mode. The tools has changed. Protected mode, you see that it's the color has been changed to green. Set break on all requests and responses. Now let me change into the stand mode. Then let me change this to the attack mode. Yeah, you see that there is a change here at the bottom. So now let me get back into the, now let me put it back into the standard mode. Okay, that's the bar, that's the toolbar. The second portion is the second item in this is toolbar, and the third item is tree window. So that's here, you can see that tree window. Tree window displays the sites a tree and the scripts a tree. So here you will get the tree diagram of sites or else as shifts. So at this moment, there is nothing much, but still you can see some information. You can see the context and then sites. So here it consists of a new context. You can create a new context, or you can import a context, or you can export a context. If you click on this plus symbol, it will create a new script. So which script you want to take, active rules or authentication, encode, decode, extender, whichever you want, you can just select it. WebSocket sender, whichever. You see that the new script has been opened. So now let me close this. The new script, I don't want it. And here also, let me close this script console. It's a request one, it's got open. Let me close this one also. Yeah. So then let me go to the quick start. Yeah. So that's what the third item, tree window. Tree window, then we have workspace window. That's workspace window is at the bottom one from here to here. So at this moment, this is a welcome page. And after that, this is where we're gonna work. This workspace or workspace window. So this displays requests, responses, and scripts and allows you to edit them. So that's what it will be here once you close down this. Then we have information window. So information window is at the bottom portion. So this information window, let me show that. Yeah, here, this window, this information window displays details of the automated and manual tools. So all that information, all the details will be displayed here. Sent messages, filtered messages, everything you can see that here. Okay. So new scan, and the bottommost what we have is a footer. Here the bottommost what we have is a footer displays a summary of the alerts found and the status of the main automated tools. Okay, that's what is about the footer. So here it consists of alerts, and this is the main proxy, localhost, current scans, and information, and more information about the current scans. And here you can find the settings, active scan options, and here you should see attack mode or select scan mode, whichever you want, attack scanner mode. So this is a new scan if you want to go, or existing. Okay, that's all about the UI. We have seen the main menu, and then toolbar, menu bar, toolbar, tree, and tree window, workspace window, information window, footer. Okay, while using Zap, you can just click on here help on the menu bar, or you can just say F1 to access the context sensitive help from Zap desktop user guide. It's also available online, but here also you can get it. You can see that active scan. So you can just go through it. Right click menu, proxy scanner, spider, it's context related one. Okay. So params, HTTP sessions, or request a response. Okay. And Zap also supports a powerful API and command line functionality, both of which are beyond the scope of this video. So that's why I would like you to explore if you want to explore more. So then, enough of looking at the user interface. Now it's time to put all our talk into action.